Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. A lot of you guys asked me in the comment sections of all of my videos how you can repair a coffee unit in case the water ran out of the tank, and now even though I put water in the tank, no water is coming out of the unit, even though the pump is working. So what's happening in this situation is that you have a airlock. This is how it's called, meaning you had some air that went into the pump, and now the pump needs some water in order to make some vacuum to suck new water from the unit. So a quick fix that I'm doing to my unit, how to repair it quick and at home without any tools, without opening the unit, is with a plastic bag. I know it sounds stupid, but yeah, this is the situation. What you have, the principle is, what you have to do is push the water a little bit, make some pressure here in order for the water to reach the pump. So how you can do this is even use a Ziploc bag with some air inside, or just take a simple bag like this, how I did it, inflate it like a balloon. You see here, I put a clip here in order for the air not to be wasted, and then take this bag, fill in the water in the tank, and then just insert the bag here and push it inside. Of course, you have to start the unit in order for the pump to start working, and gradually just push the bag with air inside, like the principle of a syringe, exactly like that. Believe me, this will work, and your machine will start working again. But what to do in case you have a different type of unit without an opening on this side, on the top? In this case, just fill in the tank all the way up, and the weight of the water, the pressure of the water eventually will go into the pump. So start the unit, leave it for 30 seconds, just working, then stop the unit and start the unit again until the water gradually will reach the pump. So yeah, this is the quick fix. I hope you like this and it was helpful for you. If yes, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.